Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick bread toast recipe using 3 ingredients. This toast is crispy outside and soft inside, and it tastes delicious. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. Take 4 tablespoons of butter, bring it to room temperature, or you can put it in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds. Butter has come to a room temperature, it's nice and soft. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of organic brown sugar. Combine both butter and sugar well until you get a jam consistency. Butter jam should be spreadable. Spread it well on one side of the bread. Heat a pan, bring the flame to low, keep the jam side down. Flame should be low till you finish your toast, or else it will get burnt quickly. Turn the bread to the other side. Let it toast for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. As you can see, this side it's toasted well. It's done. Turn off the flame. Transfer it to a plate. It's nice and crispy outside and it's soft inside. Try this simple toast and share your feedback about this recipe in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.